Ladies and gentlemen, the BTB Nation, it is your deathmatch heavyweight champion, the leader of the Suicide Forest, along with the Standard, Lord Megatron, the Blueprint, Johnny New Haven. And as I left that dinner with my nephew, I made a phone call to a man who's been on excursion for quite some time. As a matter of fact, since the formation of the Legion of Doom. And now, that he knows it's gone, and he's already showed his face, the stinky pinky, oh my dear bunny rabbits, come home, onions. He's gonna make every single last one of you cry. The way he's gonna do it? Well, that's a tale for another time. But look at all these people who decided to stand up and say their piece. Grimmy Poo, what did you do? You must have went and called the anarchist. My oh my, how'd you dust off that old bag? Guess we're gonna see how that one works, won't we? And now, who is this? Cody Hunter? Triple M has to surround himself, you know, coming from a man who surrounded himself with people, or had to go jump on coattails of other people to get where you're even at to begin with, or even a single bit, minuscule bit of notoriety, right? But as long as you've known Triple M, you've known that I'm the leader of the Suicide Forest. You've known everything that has entailed my legacy career. And everything after that will follow. You will drop, just like the rest of the bodies that step in my way. Oh, hey! Just like Zodicus. I'm sorry, you were saying what? Hang on. Just wait. I know I got something for this guy. Oh. Hey, you gave me a great idea. A really good one. Oh. And it's fantabulous. Oh. You know, it's not that bad after all. There is some blood on this. But hey, next time don't aim for the fucking temple. But you know, Cody, now that I got a splitting migraine headache, that is nothing compared to what I'm gonna do to you in the ring for this. I mean, that's what you want, right? That's what your goals and aspirations are. I'm your target. Well, let this be known, Cody Hunter. I'm your target. Come and get some. And Grim and the rest of the Dark Carnival and the Suicide Forest that you temporarily reside in. Just remember, you're surrounded on all sides. I still have a phone call I can make, but I don't know about that one. I mean, we do have a nice stinky pinky. God forbid we get an unfiltered animal.